In 1931, a ripple began, the start of a journey in computing innovation. From the first breakthroughs in computing to pioneering direct liquid cooling, from Europe's first high-speed interconnect IP to the world's first quantum learning machine. As processors grow more powerful, efficiency becomes the measure of progress. With 100% fanless direct liquid cooling with warm water, every drop of energy has purpose. For decades, we've partnered with leading scientific communities, exploring physics, climate, energy, and life itself. Together, we design systems that transform data into knowledge, helping science flow faster, further, more efficiently. BullSequana XH3500, the next generation HPC AI platform, powering the AI factory era. Rooted in Europe, powered by a global network, we enable technological sovereignty and local excellence wherever performance and trust matter. BullSequana XH3500. One platform, any workload, unprecedented performance.